Hello children, I hope you all are safe at home. I am your English teacher class 2. Today we are going to start term 2. Okay children? Standard 2, term 2, English lesson 1, fun with music. Let's start the lesson number 1. Okay, that is fun with music. So we all know what is music, right? What is music? Music is something that is very pleasant or gratifying to hear or discover. What is that? Music is very pleasant to hear, isn't it? So music is something that is very pleasant or gratifying to hear or discover. Okay children, now those who are having book, take book page number 47. Others, look at the video. Okay children, so see here, two characters are there. One is Chittu, the other one is Valli. Here you can see in this lesson two characters are there. So one is Valli, the other one is Chittu. So now Chittu is asking to Valli, what is it Valli? So Valli replies, it is my violin, I play on it. So it's a conversation between Valli and Chittu. Okay. Now we can go to next line, that is let us recall. Number 1, name the pictures. You can see some pictures here. You want to write the name of the picture. So first one is drum, second one is clock, third one is frog. So see here and write it. Okay children. Next one is match. Here left side you can see the pictures and right side you can see the number names. First one is how many apples are there? Only one. So you connect it to 1. O-N-E 1. The next one is you can see there 2 apples, isn't it? So you connect it to 2. T-W-O 2. The next box, in next box you can see how many apples are there? There are 3 apples. So you connect it to 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. So do the match work. See this and do it correctly. Next one is number 3, trace. How many apples are there? You count and see 5 apples are there, isn't it? So you write that already they had given F-I-V-E 5. You just trace it and write it clearly. So see this and write it clearly. Okay children. Next we are moving on to page number 48. Here we are going to learn some words. Look and say. First I will say the thing, you can repeat it. Okay, first I'll teach you how you want to say these words. First one is light. L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Next one, speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker. S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker. Next one, guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar. G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar. Next one, curtain. C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain. Down you can see drums. See the pictures and related to that you can some words. I will tell you, you just see this and you read. Okay, D-R-U-M-S, drums. D-R-U-M-S, drums. Next, this right side you can see stage. S-T-A-G-E, stage. S-T-A-G-E, stage. Down you can see tabla. T-A-B-L-A, tabla. T-A-B-L-A, tabla. T-A-B-L-A, tabla. So next we are moving on to the next page. Here also you can see some words. I'll teach you, you don't. Okay. The first one is mic. M-I-K-E, mic. M-I-K-E, mic. Down you can see violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Down you can see trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. Down you can see shakers. S-H-A-K-E-R-S, shakers. S-H-A-K-E-R-S, shakers. Up you can see screen. S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. Down you can see flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. Next one, Veena. 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 Okay, so you just read this, practice this thoroughly. Okay, children. From this you can get dictation words and missing letters. So you go through this, write and see these words. Okay, children. Next we are moving on to the next page. Here we are going to see, that is, let us sing. This is your poem. Okay, let us sing. Five little bells. What is the name? The name of the poem is Five Little Bells. So let us sing now. Five little bells hanging in a row. First line is five little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, ring me slow. The second one said, ring me fast. The third one said, ring me soft. The fourth one said, ring me loud. The fifth one said, ring us together all at once. So like this you want to learn this poem. Okay, the first line is five little bells hanging in a row. The first one said, ring me slow. The second one said, ring me fast. The third one said, ring me soft. The fourth one said, ring me loud. The fifth one said, ring us together all at once. Ring us together all at once. So that is the last line. Okay, so you memorize this poem. You write and see these lines. Okay, five little bells. This is your poem. So ring me loud. The fifth one said, ring us together all at once. Okay, children. So you memorize this poem. Next we are moving on to let us learn. Here we are going to see the lesson. Here what we are going to see, Mani's drum. So let us see that. Mani is excited today. The teacher has a big surprise. Teacher. Now teacher is telling something, just listen. We are going to play in the concert next week. Won't it be fun? So children said, yes, it will be great fun. Yes, the teacher said, okay, we shall start. Bring your shakers and drums or whatever you have tomorrow. Mani loved to play the drums. Mani really wanted to play the drums. Mani, Mom, can you buy me a drum? Mom said, I will try, Mani. Mom did not have money to buy the drum. She gave Mani two nice sticks. Mani played with the sticks. So she gave Mani two nice sticks. So Mani played with the sticks, it seems. So that's what they have explained in this page number 51. Okay, children. Next we are moving on to next page 52. Here we will see what Mani is doing. Mani drummed on anything he found. It makes a sound like this, it seems. That is thada thada dum dum, dum thada 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 dum dum, tum tit tot, tum tit tot. In various things he started to beat with that sticks, it seems. So it is giving different kinds of sounds. So next day he went to school. So teacher asked him, teacher, let us start. Teacher said, let us start. Mani, where is your drum? So Miss asked Mani, where is your drum? So Mani replies like this, it seems, I don't have a drum, I only have the sticks. So Mani said like this, that is, I don't have a drum, I only have the sticks. So next line, Abu played the violin. Malar followed Abu with her keyboard. So here Abu played the violin, it seems, and Malar followed Abu with her keyboard. The heads in the class moved to the tune. Soon Lisa played her shakers. So Lisa played her shakers and it gave the sound like this, it seems. That is sh, ch, 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 ch. When shakers, if we shake, it will give the sound like this, it seems. So we are moving on to the next page, page number 53. Here, but it did not sound right. Suddenly they had thada thada dum dum, dum thada 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 dum dum. Thum tit tot, thum tit tot. It was Mani with his sticks and a few boxes. So Mani started doing his drums beat, it seems. So he started on the box. He makes a sound like this: thada thada dum 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 thada 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 dum dum tub tit tot tum tit tot. It was money sticks with his few box, it seems. So he makes a sound like this. The teacher loved the sound, it seems. Okay, children. The children clapped to the beat. All the children in the class too, they started clapping their hands, it seems. So Abu, Malar and Lisa followed the beat. The entire class danced to the song. Everyone clapped. Here, if it happens, you also do the same thing, right? So like that, the class too was ready for the concert. It was so much fun. Okay, children. So it was really a fun for them. So the lesson is over. So in this lesson, you had what you learned, that is, in different instruments you can make different sounds. So you can enjoy the things by listening to that. Okay, children. Next, we are moving on to the next lesson. That is not next lesson, exercise we are going to see. Let us understand. The first one is tick the correct word. Here you can see pictures. First one is violin or veena. Which one is correct? That is violin. So you take that. You can see here and you can write it in your book. Okay, children. That is violin. You take to that. Okay. Next one is keyboard or guitar. That is keyboard. So tick over there. Next one is flute or shakers. That is shakers. So you tick in shakers. You can see small box over there in your book. You see that, and you can see here also, and you can make it without mistakes. You have to write that. Okay. So the first one is violin. Tick there. And next one is keyboard. Near to the keyboard you can see small box, tick there. And the next one is flute or shakers, that is shakers, so you tick over there. Now number 2, listen and number the sequence. Here some sentences are here, so according to the book you want to put the numbers over here. The first one is, Mom, can you buy me a drum? Everyone claps. I only have the sticks. The teacher loved the sound. We are going to play in the concert. So here, according to the you want to, I taught you this lesson. So in this lesson, which one is coming first? We are going to play in the concert is the first thing the teacher said to all the students, right? So you have to write number 1 there. Mom, and what happened? Mani went home and asked to buy a drum. So you want to put number 2 over there. That is first line. That is, Mom, can you buy me a drum? So put the number 2 over there. And after that, what happened? The teacher asked Mani to play the drum. But what he said? I have only the sticks. So I only have the sticks is the third point. So put number 3 over there. You can see here and you can write it clearly. The teacher loved the sound. That is number 4. Everyone claps. It's a 5. Okay, so according to the book, we are writing this. Listen and number the sequence. So I have written for you. So see this and write it clearly. Okay. Number 3. Listen, think and write. Here in the first thing you can see some words. Boxes, sticks, concert, and then violin. Okay. So you want to write it in the, it's like fill in the blanks, you want to write it. Mani's mother gave him what? Boxes, sticks, concert or violin. Mani's mother gave him sticks. So you have to write there sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. A. Mani's mother gave him sticks. B. Abu played the violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. C. Mani used dash as drums. So what you will write there? Boxes. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Now D. Class 2 was ready for the dash, concert. That is C-O-N-C-E-R-T, concert. Okay. So E. You write your name over there. Okay. I didn't fill that. You have to write your name there. I like to play. What is the play you like very much? You write that. Games. I like to play. What you like to play, you write there. Okay, children. Next, we are moving on to the next page. Let us know. That is page number 55. Here Valli and Chittu are looking at some pictures. I taught you this one in the beginning. That is Valli and Chittu, right? So Valli and Chittu are seeing some pictures, it seems. We will see that. Here first Valli is telling that is Neela. She is my sister. Again she is telling that is Raju. He is my brother. Then the third, what happened? Now Chittu is telling that is a belt. It is my belt. Then Valli is answering for that. Yes, it is your belt. Then what happened? Now Chittu is telling, what do you say for two girls? Then Valli is telling, when we see more than one, we say they are girls. So in this page number 55, what and all it's there? That is she, he, it, they. So we learned in this page, that is for girls you want to say she, for boy you want to say he, and things means you want to say it. More than one means you must say they. So here in the first picture, that is Valli and Chittu are looking at some pictures, it seems. So the first picture says, that is Valli is telling that is Neela. She is my sister. She is a sister, it seems. Okay. So that is Neela. She is my sister. Then the second picture says that is Raju. He is my brother. So that is Valli's brother, it seems. His name is Raju. So he. When sister means she. Brother means he. Now Chittu is telling that is a belt. Okay. That is a belt. It is my belt. So Chittu is telling that is a belt. That is a belt. It is my belt. Then Valli is telling, yes, it is your belt. So for things you must say it. For boy means you should say he. Girl means she. Okay. Then the next sentence, what do you say for two girls? Now Chittu is asking Valli, what do you say for two girls? Then Valli replies like this, when we see more than one, we say they are girls. Clear, children? So you should say, you should use, for boy you must use he, for she means for a girl you must use she, and for an object you should say it. For more than one you must say they. So these are the sentences you must read and practice this. That is Neela, she is my sister. That is Raju, he is my brother. That is a belt, it is my belt. Yes, it is your belt. What do you say for two girls? When you see more than one, that is we should say they are girls. Here in this sentence, when you see more than one, we say they are girls. Clear, children? So it's like that. So we must use he for a boy, she for a girl, it for an object, and they for more than one. Clear, children? Next we are moving on to next page number 56. That is page number 56. Here you have to read this. Let us practice. First one, read aloud. The boy and man. Man left side, boy this side. So you have to, boy, man means what you want to write? He. Woman and girl means she. Like that, dog or puppy or objects means it. Like that you have to write. So fill in next one, that is number 2. Fill in the blanks he, she, it. By using the above thing, you want to write it here. Dash likes apples. What do you want to write there? You will write he, she, it. What is the picture you are seeing there? That is a girl. So what do you want to write here? You want to write here she. S-H-E, she. So she likes apples. So write she. S-H-E, she. Next one, it's an object. Dash is a box. What you will write? You have to write it. It, it. It is a box. Next one is a tree. So what do you want to write? It. It is a tall tree. Right side, dash has a ball. Who is having a ball here? He. Boy is having. So you want to write here he. He has a ball. Next one, dash is a teacher. She is a teacher. Next one, here man. And dash has a dog. So what do you want to write? He. He has a dog. So the first one, she likes apples. Next one, it is a box. It is a tall tree. The next one. So right side, he has a ball. She is a teacher. He has a dog. You can see this and write it clearly. Okay, children. Next, spell check. Fill in the missing letters. First one, S dash I dash K. That is stick. By the picture, by seeing the picture, you want to write this missing letters. So that is stick. So you want to write as S-T-I-C-K, stick. Next one, B-O-X, box. The last one is drums, D-R-U-M-S, drums. See this and write it clearly. Okay, children. Next, we are moving on to page number 57. Here we are going to see, that is word wall, let us do. Okay. So here in this box you can see some words there. That is L-I-V-E, live. That is live. L-A-S-T, last. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. E-A-T, eat. W-A-N-T, want. Y-E-A-R, year. G-O-T, got. P-L-A-Y, play. B-O-T-H, both. So by seeing these words, you want to circle the words down. That is down you can see. That is read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. By reading this, you have to find out the words that from word wall. So the first one is live. Live, last, color. That is word wall. In that box you can see these words. That is live, last, color, friend, eat, want, year, got, play, both. So from this word wall you want to read the sentence down. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sentences are there. So you want to read the sentence and you want to find the words from the word wall. So that's what they have mentioned here. Read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. So first one is crows live on trees. So what is the word? It's there in the word wall. Live. So L-I-V-E, live. So I have underlined that. What you have to do, you want to circle it in your book. Clear, children? So all the things I have done for you, you see this and you do this as your homework. That is, second one is what color do you like? So what is the word wall? You can verify the word wall. What is the words? What is the word there? You want to circle it. So here in the second line, that is second number 2. What color do you like? What is the word? It's there in word wall. Color. So I have underlined that. You want to circle that. I have done for you. So you want to read the sentence and you want to circle it clearly. Okay, next down you can see color the words in yellow. Down you can see some words, that is live, last, color, friend, eat, want, that is year, got, play, both. That are the words you want to color it in yellow, it seems. So what you want to do, take a yellow color pencil and you want to color these words. Live, L-I-V-E, live, L-A-S-T, last, C-O-L-O-U-R, color, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, E-A-T, eat, W-A-N-T, want, Y-E-A-R, year, G-O-T, got, P-L-A-Y, play, B-O-T-H, both. These are the words you want to color it in yellow. Down you can see one box. In that box you can see these words. So find out that words and color it in yellow. Clear, children? Okay, next we are moving on to page number 58. Next we are moving on to the next page, that is circle time. Let us talk. Let us practice, you see. Here there are two pencils. There are three drums. There are four boys. There are five books. Here we are seeing there are. There are. This is what we are going to learn here. That is there are. There are two pencils. There are three drums. There are four boys. There are five books. There are six pens. There are 10 dogs. So by seeing this, you want to complete these sentences below. First one, there dash four in my bag. There are four pencils in my bag. There dash four pencils in my bag. That is pencil or pen. Either pen, it may be pen or it pencil. Yeah, it seems to be pen, I believe. So there are four pens in my bag. So what you want to write here? R. There are four pens in my bag. The next one, dash dash two pencil in my bag. What do you want to write in that? You want to complete the sentence like this. That is, there are two pencil in my bag. Third one, dash dash in my bag. Toys, that is toys in my bag. There are three toys in my bag. So you want to write that. See here and write it in your book. Okay. Fourth one, there are five books in my bag. There are five books in my bag. So you want to write like that. There are five books. The picture is here, and in you want to write my bag. So the first one, there are four pens in my bag. There are two pencils in my bag. There are three toys in my bag. There are five books in my bag. Okay, children. Next we are moving on to let us say. Listen to the sound and repeat. CRY, cry. CRY, cry. FLY, fly. CRY, cry. FLY, fly. Next one, pie. PIE, pie. TIE, tie. Okay. Next one, kite. KITE, kite. BIKE, bike. Like this, you want to practice the downwards. That is, read aloud. MY, my. DRY, dry. FRY, fry. SHY, shy. SKY, sky. TRY, try. DIE, die. LIE, lie. PIE, pie. TIE, tie. FINE, fine. MINE, mine. HIDE, hide. LINE, line. MICE, mice. RICE, rice. LIME, line. So like this, the down you want to circle the words with long I sound. Okay. So you do this as your homework. Moving on to the next page. That is, let us do. Here also you can see word wall. My, 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 BY. You have to learn and practice this. MY, my, BY, by, TRY, try, DRY, dry, FRY, fry, like that. Next one is LIE, lie, DIE, die, TRIED, tried, TIED, tied, DRIED, dried, WIDE, wide, CITE, sight, FILE, file, LIME, lime, PINE, pine. So these are the words over here. So you practice these words. Okay. Next we are going to see add E and write the words. Example, SIT, sit, SITE, sight. So like that you want to add E to the words and you want to form a words. So add E and write the words. KIT, kit, you want to write as KITE, kite. RID, read, you want to write RIDE, ride. BIT, bit, BITE, bite. HID, hit, HIDE, hide. PIN, pin, PINE, pine. FIN, fin, FINE, fine. Now next one is fill in the missing letters. P dash dash. You want to write over there pie. P-I-E, pie. Next one, T-I-E, tie. See the picture and you want to know what is that. What is the next one? That is kite. So K-I-T-E, kite. Next one, the child is crying. So what you want to write? C-R-Y, cry. The next one is bike. B-I-K-E, bike. Next one is fly. F-L-Y, fly. Next one, match and tick the correct one. So here you can see some pictures. So drums, you want to connect it to sticks. So you connect that stick to drums. Okay, see this and you write it. Okay, children. Next we are moving on to let us read. Here we are going to read this. So listen, I will read, you listen. One bun runs. Okay, that is the heading. Let us read. So you practice this. You read this nicely. You want to read this. One bun runs. I will read, you repeat the thing and you can practice at home nicely. Okay. So let us read. One bun runs. There is a plate of buns. One bun jumps off the plate. What happened? One bun jumps off the plate, it seems. So what happened next? The pig runs to catch it, but the bun runs away. What happened? The pig chase it. That is, the pig runs to catch it, it seems, but the bun runs away. Then next step, what happened? The rat runs to catch it, but the bun runs away. The bun runs away. Next, what happened? The goat runs to catch it, but the bun runs away. Next, the pup jumps to catch it, but the bun runs away. Next, what happened? The frog hops to catch it, but the bun runs away. Finally, what happened? The fox does not run. The fox does not run. The bun stops. Then what happened? You see, the fox jumps on it and the fox eats the bun. So, all this, first what happened? The bun jumps off the plate. First it happened like that, and the pig chases the bun. But what happened? The bun runs away. Again, the next step, what happened? Rat runs to catch it. Again, the bun runs away. Next, third step, goat runs to catch it. Again, the bun runs away. Then pup jumps to catch it, but the bun runs away. Frog also hops to catch it, but the bun runs away. But what happened? The fox does not run, it seems. The bun stops. When the fox that is, the fox does not run. It stopped there, it seems. So the bun also stops there. So what happened finally? The fox jumps on it and the fox eats the bun. So finally the fox succeeded, it seems. The fox jumps on it and the fox eats the bun. Okay, children. This is a story. You want to read this. Okay, these words together. You sit and read. You practice this. One bun runs. From the beginning till end, you read this. Okay. Next, we are moving on to next page. Page number 62. This is let us think and do. Write the names of the animals. See the picture and you want to write the names. Okay, you want to write their names. First one is what? Fox. F-O-X, fox. So you write there fox. The next one is frog. F-R-O-G, frog. The next one pup. P-U-P, pup. Here this side G-O-A-T, goat. Down P-I-G, pig. The next one R-A-T, rat. See this and write it clearly. Okay, don't make mistakes. See this and write clearly. Number 2, match the actions with the animals. Runs. Pig runs, right? So you match it to that. Frog hops. So H-O-P-S means you match it to frog. Then pup, what does? It jumps, right? So jumps means pup. Match it to pup. So runs means pig. Hops means frog. Jumps means pup. You match accordingly. See here and match it. Okay. Number 3. Tick yes or no. You see, you read this sentence and you want to write either, you want to tick either, that is yes or no. The bun jumps off the plate. Yes or no? That is yes. So you tick that. B. The rat eats the bun. No. So you tick over no. Okay. Near to no you tick. C. The fox eats the bun. Yes, that is the correct sentence. So you tick over yes. So it's like that. So the next one is see this and finish off this exercise. Okay. Next, this is your activity. This I will explain to you later. If you are having book, you can finish it off this. Those who are not having book, I will let you know the things later. Okay. So you can read the sentence here what you want to do, and accordingly you can do finish off your activity 1 here. Okay children. Next we are moving on to page number 64. That is I can do. Tick the correct names of the picture. Here you can see the picture. First one is what? Drum, right? So you tick to drum. The next one is guitar. So you tick to guitar. That is Guitar, guitar. The next one is, what is that? Flute or trumpet? That is flute. So you tick to flute. The next one is shakers or veena. Which is correct? Veena is correct. So tick that. So the first one is, you see here in this box you can see two options are there. Violin, drum. So which one is correct? Drum is correct. So tick there. Next one is tabla, guitar. Guitar is correct. So tick that. Next one, flute, trumpet. So flute, trumpet, which is correct? This is flute. So tick to that. Next one, shakers, veena. That is veena. So tick that. See here and do it. Okay, match. Next one is match. B-Y by, M-Y my. Match it to that. Next one, B-I-K-E bike, H-I-K-E hike. P-I-E pie, D-I-E die. K-I-T-E kite, S-I-T-E sight. M-I-C-E mice, D-I-C-E dice. See this and do it correctly. Okay. It's like rhyming words. So you want to do this in your book. Okay children. Next one, fill in the blanks with he, she, it. Okay. Here you want to see the pictures and you want to write it accordingly. Here I have done for you. You see this and write it clearly. Okay. A. First picture is she. So you want to write that she. She is Nina. B. It is a box. It's an object. So you want to write it. It is a box. This is a boy. So you want to write here he. He has a bat. Girl means you want to write she. Boy means you want to write he. Object means you want to write it. That's what I taught you previously. In this lesson, I taught you this. In previous exercise also, we have done this. So remember that boy means he, girl means she, object means it. More than one means you want to write they. Okay, so like that you want to write. So here A, she is Nina. B, it is a box. C, he has a bat. D, dash is Amir. So what you will write? You want to write here he. He is Amir. E, she eats an apple because she is girl. So you can see the picture. That is girl or boy. That is girl. So you want to write here she. She eats an apple. F, dash sings a song. He or she, what you will write here? She. She sings a song. So see this and write clearly. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Next page 6. In this page number 65, we are going to see number 4, that is listen and circle the words that your teacher says. Here you can see 4 lines. 4 sentences are there. I will tell you. Okay, I will read this. So first what you want to do, you want to listen and circle the words that I will say. Which word you want to circle. That word alone you circle it. Okay children. Now 2 baby birds live in a nest with their mother. That is the first sentence. The second one, at first they both eat small worms. Third one, then they both play to have fun. Fourth one, soon both fly away after a month. So listen and circle the words. Read the words. L-I-V-E, live. E-A-T, eat. F-L-Y, fly. B-O-T-H, both. P-L-A-Y, play. Okay, children. So you want to circle this words. That is live. 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 Two baby birds live in a nest with their mother. So in that line you want to circle live. 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 Next one, at first they both eat small worms. What they did? They eat small worms. So you circle eat. E-A-T, eat. Third line, then they both play to have fun. So what happened there? They both play to have fun, it seems. So you want to circle both, B-O-T-H, both, play, P-L-A-Y, play. Okay. The fourth line, soon both fly away after a month. This is a story. Okay, actually this is a story between mother and the little birds. So two baby birds were living in a nest with their mother. At first they both eat small worms, then they both play to have fun, it seems. Then after that what happened? Soon both fly away after a month. So you want to circle the words like live, eat, fly, both, play. So I had circled here. You can see this in this picture and you can do it accordingly. Okay, children. Next we are moving on to 5. That is read and color the odd pair. You want to color the odd pair. So here pair wise you can see the words. First one is FLY, fly, SKY, sky. That is a odd pair. So you want to color it. Okay. Color it in light colors. You want to know the letters. What is there in that circle. So color it in light colors. FLY, fly, SKY, sky. That pair is odd pair. So you want to color it. Okay. The next one is TIE, tie, LIE, lie. That is a rhyming word. So that is not an odd pair. So you should not color that. Okay, children. So rhyming words means a rhyming sentence or rhyming words. Here what they said, read and color the odd pair. So odd only you want to color it. If it is the same, that is like rhyming word means you should not color it. Okay, children. So I have done this for you. You read this words and you want to do it accordingly. Okay. I will tell you. FLY, fly, SKY, sky. That is a odd pair. So you want to color it. TIE, tie, LIE, lie. That is a rhyming pair. So no need of coloring that. Side, tide. That is the rhyming. So what you want to color that? No. So don't color that. Next one is shy, tail. That is a odd pair. So you want to color that. Next one is rice, 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 MADE, made. That is a odd pair. So you want to color it. While you are coloring, color it in light colors. Then only you can able to see the letters over there in that circle. Okay, children. MY, my, BY, by. So that is a rhyming pair. So no need of coloring that one. CRY, cry, FRY, fry. That also rhyming. So no need of coloring that one. So LINE, line, FINE, fine. That is also rhyming. So no need to color that one. Die, tape. DIE, die, TAPE, tape. That is a odd pair. So you want to color it. NAME, name, TIDE, tide. That is also odd pair. So you want to color it. MI, mine, LI, yummy, line. So that is rhyming pair. So no need to color that. So see this and do it accordingly. Color it in light colors. Okay, children. Moving on to the next one, that is number 6. Fill in the blanks. See here a basket full of fruits are there. So accordingly you want to see that and you want to fill it up this one. So first one, A. There dash 3 apples. What you will write here? There means what you should write? There are. What you want to write? Are you want to write in that blank. So there are 3 apples in that basket. You see near to that, in this picture you can see a basket. There are bananas, oranges and apples. How many apples are there in that basket? You can find 3 apples. So how you will say in sentence? There are 3 apples. Okay. So you want to write here are. A-R-E-R. There are 3 apples. Next one, B. Dash dash 2 bananas. What you will write here? There are 2 bananas. So you want to write here there, T-H-E-R-E, there, A-R-E-R. There are 2 bananas. Next one, C. Dash, dash, dash oranges. What do you want to write? How you will fill this? There are 4 oranges. So you want to write here, there are 4 oranges. It's already there. So see this and write it accordingly. Okay, children. Next one is 7th one. Recitate the poem 5 Little Bells. This I taught you earlier. So you have to memorize that poem thoroughly. Okay, children. So that's all for today. If you have any doubts in this lesson, you can ask me. Clarify your doubts in Google Meet. Okay, children. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Okay, children. Thank you.